Hello and welcome back to my channel. Today I want to share with you one of my favorite ways to cook Mexican black beans. This is a recipe that's not only super easy to make, but it's very versatile. I like to eat them just as is, like a soup, with a side of fresh tortillas, but it can easily be used as a side dish or added into your favorite tacos, tortas, gorditas. The options are endless. I realize I've never shared how to make Mexican black beans before on this channel. And I find that Mexican black beans are a recipe that not a lot of people really know how to work with. Black beans have such a beautiful earthy flavor, but if you don't really pair them off well from the beginning, they can sort of be a little bit boring. So this recipe is going to be full of flavor, and I hope that you enjoy it. We're going to need 1 vine-ripe tomato, chopped, 2 pieces of cilantro, whole, 2 garlic cloves, chopped, half of a white onion, chopped, 3 tablespoons of olive oil, some salt and pepper to taste, and of course, black beans cooked with its cooking liquid. First, I will add the olive oil and bring the pot to a medium-high heat. Now the onion. The garlic. And stir everything around just a little bit. Add the tomato. A little bit of our salt and pepper. We can definitely adjust the salt level later if we need to. Let everything cook for about a minute or so. Add the cilantro whole so that we can easily remove it later before serving. And finally, let's add the beans. Bring everything to a rolling boil and then turn the heat down to a simmer. Cook covered for about 20 minutes or until you have the desired thickness. So there you have it, Mexican black beans. A very easy recipe that you can enjoy in many different ways. Buen provecho.